Hello, this is Steve K here today, and today we are playing Granny Spider. Let's play. Granny transformed herself into a spider. Let's see if this is a broken game or not. This is Season 9, Part 8. Granny is a spider. So let's see what we can do. I am so overheated. Let's go. Bunch of nothing in the bathroom. Is there anything worthwhile in here? Oh, cogwheel. Alright, Granny Spider, what are you gonna do? Well, that didn't do me no favors. Nice try, but not happening.
Where are you?
Wouldn't you like to know? Sorry, Granny, you ain't getting me. Nope. But I'll get you. Come and get your just desserts, Granny. Come on, Spider Lady. Wanna be Spider-Man? Come on. It's taking you so long, Spider Lady. Are you scared of Steve K here today? Come on. You gotta get your just desserts. You wanna play games with me? Come on. What to do? Follow you? So you're afraid of me? Cause I got a weapon and you don't? Alright, fine. Here. How about if I make all the noise in the world? You gonna come now? You old bag? Alright, fine. Come on! I'm calling you out. Let's go. Come on. You want a piece of me so bad? Huh? What do you think of that, Granny? Yeah, you go under there, useless woman. Enjoy your sleep. Ah, I don't need it anymore. Spider-Woman's probably gone forever. Ha ha ha. Alright, let's see. I hope I'm right about that. Let's see, a piece of the painting. Yeah, whatever. Piece of the boring painting. Here we go. There you go. Smooth this out of the way. Kick that down. Move it out of the way. Bounce it. Yay. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, whatever. Alright, let's see. Break the microwave. Yeah. Da 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 da. Hey, Granny, are you enjoying your sleep? Are you enjoying your sleep? You know what? I think you're better off moving. Here, just get over there. You stay there. Alright, Spider-Woman. She's weak. Scooby, you shut up. I'm tired of hearing you. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. What do you know? She's actually got a TV that works. Yeah, whatever. Just kick the door. I mean, the lamp down. Enjoy your sleep, Spider Lady. Dun 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 dun. Let's open the door. Another cogwheel. Oh. I knocked your paint can down. Now I'm gonna ring your bell. Ha ha, I ring your bell. Let's go. Oh yeah? Close enough. Dun, 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 dun. Enjoy your sleep, you stinky old lady. I told you. You don't mess with Steve K here today. Get out of my way, Spider-Woman. Go disappear somewhere. Oh. Alright, is there anything useful here? No. Alright, let's see. Let's go put this painting together. There. Let's go see what Spider-Woman has for a car. Okay. Interesting. No lock here. Okay, the thing in the wall. Okay, whatever. No engine. Shows how cheap Granny is. She can afford a car but not an engine. Ha ha ha. No gas can either. Just like that. Just watch it fall. Let's kick the pillar over. Yay. I'm gonna go in here and crawl through this rocky passageway. Spiders all over the walls. Ha ha ha. Get up. Now I'm getting up here. Kick the candle down. There's a painting. Let's open this up. Of course, we get the cutting pliers. Nice. Alright, we're gonna go down here ever so swiftly. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna drop these off on the 3rd floor after when I'm done cutting 2 wires. And then we'll do the one on the 3rd floor once when we find the hammer. Pardon me. Got the hiccups. There. Season 9, Part 8. Granny turns into a spider and yet she is so weak. Which is fine by me. I'd rather not have that lady chase me all around the house. Alright, hey Jimothy. Whoops, you fell. Okay, no problem. Hey Granny, I hope you don't mind. I just broke your roof. Don't worry, Granny. It just gives it more drifts. I mean, more area to breathe. Hey, look what I found. A piece of the painting. Well, guess what that can do? I can go. There. You go down there. Let's see. A piece of the shotgun. Fine. Here. You go down here. No. I said go down here. Go. You don't want to listen, do you? Fine. You do what you want to do. I'm done. Forget it. Yeah. You're so weak. Goofy Granny. It's alright, I don't mind. Granny's been weak since day one, so whatever. This must be a pitcher of venom. That's fine. Let's do this. Alright. Let's put this together. I think I got the last piece up here. Where is it? Was it still up there? I don't understand this. Oh. Fell way over here. Okay. It's venom. Ha ha. Cool picture. Marvel. Part of the shotgun. Hooray. Whatever. Nothing there, like always. Another part of the shotgun. We're having trouble finding Granny's hammer. So, doing alright. Yeah, I could complete the shotgun. The only problem is I really don't need the shotgun at the moment, but I'll complete it. There's no point in using it because she's just laying there motionless. Like a lazy granny she is. Alright. Got a loaded shotgun here. Ha ha. Man, it's hot in here. Hope it cools off in here. It's so warm in here. I don't understand why it's so hard to find what I need. Actually, I'm gonna need that. It's a screwdriver up here. But it didn't do much. No time. Took a long time. Look at it. Alright, Spider Granny, Spider Granny. This is a pretty cool mod. There's spiders all over the place. Considering. We're gonna unlock this. Come on. We have the playhouse key. Let's go. Hurry up. Alright. Hopefully I can find the master key soon and Granny get out of my way, you old sloth. Get out of my way. Let's open up this playhouse key, open up the door, let's get rid of this playhouse key. Let's open up get the cog. I'm going to place it. There. There. We have the master key. I guess that's okay. But we need... what do they call it? We need to find a padlock key. The only problem is we need the melon. Obviously there's nothing here. That's fine. You old back, get out of my way. We need a hammer and a padlock key. So I'm going to just set this down here. There. Let's go up the stairs. Let's see what we missed and what we didn't miss. There's nothing in the tub, nothing in the yucky toilet, nothing in the sinks. Fine. What's in here? Bunch of nothing. No hammer. Anything here? No. Let's kick the chair down. So I feel like it. Alright. So far a bunch of nothing. Hopefully there's something I could use here. Here's a teddy. I don't need Teddy. Teddy can stay where he's at. Car key. Well, let's see if this will help me what I need to achieve. Piece of meat. Dumb candles on the ground. I'm tired. Alright. Well, it's about time I found that hammer. Jeez. Give me that hammer. Make me wait all day for this. That's fine. Don't do it. Good. That's all I need is an extra item to find. Like I really want to find a padlock code. And I spoke too soon. You are too good. Granny has placed an extra lock on the door. You are bogus, Granny. That's okay. You like to be bogus, that's fine. Don't worry. I got you. Give me this. It's time to shut that fan up. Get my way. Two nothings. Is this open? Of course not. Get my way. I'm only doing it this way so I don't fall. I know it's slow, but I don't care. I'm not falling. So here. The annoying fan. Shut up. Give me the safe key. Get out of my way. There. So annoying. I bet you 10 to 1 that padlock key is in the safe. And if it is, we're escaping Spider Granny's house. Hooray. Let's open it up. Nope. All these steps just to get one key. How rough is that? Alright, padlock key, you better be there. Unless you're in the watermelon that's stuck in the well. We'll find out, I guess. If you're new, I welcome you to my channel. Don't mind me. I'm just continuing the Granny story. with one request, and yeah, I was correct. It was a watermelon and bucket. How original. Come on, grab the melon. Alright. Put it there. Chop it up. Give me the padlock key. Just making sure the padlock code ain't here. See you later, Spider Goof. Yeah. I gotta go hunt down that padlock code. Darn, it's not a cup holder. It's gotta be one of these. Lockers. Nope. Is it on one of these doors? No. Alright, Goofy Granny. What'd you do with it? Where's the padlock code? Old goof. As we're searching for, we're looking for the padlock code. Since this goof likes to hide everything. Well, let's hopefully we'll find it. Is it here? No. Okay. Is it in the room I started in? No. Alright, I'm getting irritated. Maybe it might be in the meat locker. Since there's no more cabinets that I know of. Well, that's my guess. We're going to try the cabinet. See if it's in, unless it's in here. Hey, padlock code, are you in here? No, you got Teddy. I don't want Teddy. Come on, padlock code, you gotta be around here somewhere. I want to escape Granny's stinky, smelly house. Smells like a dust bucket. Well, that spider's so disorienting. Maybe it's downstairs, I don't know. Pretty much looking all over the place and I can't find the padlock code that Granny did us like that. That's fine. Normally it would be right here in the cup, but it's not there this time. Alright, Spider Goof. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a key. There's a padlock code in here. No. Alright, Spider Granny, you're starting to get me agitated now. What did you do to that padlock code? You are so bogus. But you're not gonna outbest me, no. I will find that key, padlock code. It's the last thing I do. No matter where it is. Right, you goof? You doggone Granny. Where is it? This Granny has become a pain in my butt, and yet I beat her anyways. She's down to the ground, like always. do with you, Granny? I don't know where this padlock code is. Why did Granny even do that to me? So if I can't find this padlock code, this scheme is broken. And I'm not playing a game that's broken. Alright. Well, guys, I don't understand why did Granny ever did this to me. Doesn't make any sense. Get out of my way. Guess we'll try this. I don't know where it is. Honestly, I don't know. I looked all over the place. There is no padlock code anywhere. Why? If you guys can find a padlock code, that would be great, but I can't find it. Granny is bogus. I'm looking all over the place for this padlock code, and it's not even here. Yo, Grandsters, you're gonna get it from me. All these spiders are so disorienting. I don't get it. Where is it? Looked all over the place. I don't get it. Why is the... Granny's cheating, obviously. Let's just put this in English term. I won, alright? There is no padlock code because Granny's obviously trying to cheat and say, oh yeah, I won, haha, you can't find the what do they call it? Padlock, security pad code for the thing. Let's look. See? This ain't it. Nope. Well, I beat the game, so obviously. Get up. I looked for the padlock code, you ninny. Look, what's in here? Let me show you what's in here. Bunch of nothing. See? Nothing. There is no padlock code. And if there was, you wouldn't be cheating me. Padlock code. Well, it just shows it that Granny cheats once again, like always, but... Alright, I'm going to end the video like this. Let me see. Give me a second. You're going to like what I do, but Granny's going to deserve it for cheating. Alright, Granny, I got something for you since you like to cheat so much. There's no padlock code, well, guess what? Okay, fine. Here we go. Please leave a like, comment. Let me know what you think of this video, even though I think it's a broken mod, but it's fine. Alright, I'm going to see you in the next video. This is Season 9, Part 8. Granny is broken. And guess what, Granny? This is what I think of you. Take that for gratitude. Bye.